Life was your gift, thus it is in your name, however we spent it. I acknowledged your kindness. In life my sole complaint remains, you I have met, but long delay sustains. The one to whom this heart was firmly bound, upon sight, his picture in every soul was found. And Faraz, how much love do you need? Mothers have named their children after you. I have heard that people look at it with full eyes, so let's stay in his city for a few days and see. It has been a long time since they were separated, know what to say. This story is too old now. What a night of slumber that stole the remaining rest of life. What dream did I witness that set the heart pounding with interpretive strife? The disloyalty of the times was mentioned, so your idea has come. The destinations are the same, and the wanderings are the same. Although different, all lives are the same. Be it a messenger or a bad person, a lover or an enemy, everyone has the same commitment to this show.